Hi, my name's Alex. I'm on day 5 or 6 of the We the Medicine Choose Love retreat. I'm here with my brothers and sisters, my wife, and best friend. And phew, what do you say? David and Janine, who run this retreat, are just incredible old souls, amazing healers, big hearts. I've been working on trauma, childhood stuff, combat, all these things that I carried heavy weights on my shoulders. And I get to shake it all off this retreat with the medicine of Mother Aya, with the amazing workshops and integration that David and Janine provide. It's been a beyond profound week, life-changing, and there really are no words that could properly express my gratitude. So highly recommend.